his senses, spread out and touches this world at thy feet. Namaskar. Wish you all a very happy Rabindra Jayanti. In this beautiful morning, amidst this greenery and chirping of the birds, we all are gathered here to pay our heartfelt homage to our beloved poet laureate Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. As we do always, let's Shri D.D. Shira, Director, Arts and Culture, begin with the floral tribute to the statue, followed by lighting of the ceremonial lamp and a few Rabindra Sangeet by the members of Sports and Cultural Club and Shillong Tagore Choir, and we are very happy to have Srimati Piyali Bhattacharya also among us. We pray to Almighty that the serenity of this Tagore Cultural Complex prevail and spread Tagore's message of peace, love and beauty forever. Let's begin with Sir. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. Sir, please. Will be followed by Vibhuti Chakraborty, General Secretary, Sports and Cultural Club, Sri Shushit Chaudhuri, our senior member of this locality at Yagollabar.
Beautiful voice and his pleasant eyes. That was Rabindranath. We all know our Gurudev Rabindranath.
Tagore lovers will be paying him a homage to the poet laureate on his birth anniversary.
আমি তোমার সঙ্গে বেঁধেছি আমার প্রাণ সুরের বাঁধনে তুমি জানো তোমার বুদ্ধি খানি আগুনের আলোতে বসায় জানি অরূপ মূর্তি খানি বাঁশরি বাজায় ললিত বসন্তে সুদূর দিগন্তে আমি তোমার সঙ্গে বেঁধেছি আমার প্রাণ সুরের বাঁধনে।
He sent his first book in this site and he stayed here for 3 weeks. The writer poet Rabindranath came to visit Shillong. All Bengalis of town gathered to visit him at Brookside. Rabindranath recited the poem Old Survey, Puraton Bhitto. I was totally surprised. We are amazed. seeing his beautiful features. Very few people in this world.
কিছু সুন্দর মুহূর্ত আমরা ব্রুকসাইডে পালন করেছি। ব্রুকসাইডে পালন করার পর আমরা গেছি জিতভূমিতে। জিতভূমিতে গিয়ে পরবর্তী অনুষ্ঠানটি হয়েছে। আপনারা আমার সঙ্গে থাকুন, দেখতে থাকুন। ব্রুকসাইডের সেই মনোরম পরিবেশটি আমাদের মনকে একদম আপ্লুত করে রাখে। তা আমরা ছুটে চলে যাই। আমাদের যদি ডাক কেউ দেয় ব্রুকসাইডে যাওয়ার জন্য, আমরা দুবার ভাবি না, আমরা ব্রুকসাইডে চলে যাই। সেই পরিবেশের মধ্যে খালি গলায় রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত গাওয়ারও যে একটি আনন্দ আছে, সেটি সেখানে গিয়ে গানটি না করলে বোঝা যায় না।
Hello, good evening. My warm regards to all the dignitaries and guests present here. Today, this evening, I am Rilbong Sports and Culture Club, Art and Culture Shillong, and ICCR for inviting Bahar and giving a platform to exhibit our talent. Thank you so much.
Welcome to you all on this marvelous evening, and also I heartily welcome the distinguished guests present here. I extend my warm welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, your presence has immensely enhanced the ambience of this magnificent auditorium. So ladies and gentlemen, let's start the evening with the song Aguner Poroshmoni, a prayer song to be sung by John E.
Hajing to pinding kumbing maging to pilong habla jingin to pilong joy baboli bhasha dhuri.
Gitanjali Dance Academy's enchanting performance, Megho Mallar. In this mesmerizing dance number, set to the soulful tunes of Rabindra Sangeet,
the Zonal Director, ICCR, the Director Art and Culture, Sri Shiran, organizers of this program, dear poets, friends, ladies and gentlemen,
Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, and ICCR Shillong. We all have gathered here to commemorate and to celebrate the 163rd birth anniversary of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore, the humanist philosopher, was inspired
Hakabashi said ula shorting e kani ka donwood ka trang hir but ka prashang benjing ka shin kamen sem uba kraw uba la let this land ngrei ki danger jong ula eno hakaparthai this heart